Okie dokie doke. Diet Pepsi Mo. Alright. Today I'm going to be working on the Ashanti Protocol. Alright? It's pronounced Ashanti. Ashanti Protocol. Alright? Ashanti is the word from No Game No Life that they use to join games. So, let's see. +2, 5. Alright, so let me tell you about the Ashanti. What I'm doing here, right here, is hyperspatial coding, or spectral coding, okay? Now, spectral coding is not exactly the same kind of coding. It's not a bottom-up coding or a top-down coding. It's more of a skeleton of what my mind is doing up there. So, if you want to learn how to spectrally code, you're going to have to go through the motions first. And your regurgitational ability, or this is sort of a regurgitation. So if you want to learn how to do cool stuff up there in the spectral realm, you have to figure out your own method of creating meaning up there, okay? It can be anything from connecting dots to typing to playing music to doing anything. I just happen to manifest this ability in the form of sort of gibberish code. Like I said, this is mostly gibberish, but it does have a significant grounding in my own subconscious. Yeah? It has a significant grounding in my own subconscious. So I have no idea what most of the stuff means. I can tell you about what I think it means, but you know, some of it's very esoteric, and other stuff I'd have no idea what it means. Anyways, so the Ashanti Protocol. I'm making it easy to log in to the spectral realm. I created a makeshift minor Ashanti Protocol up there. Let's see. Somewhere. Right there. That's the comment. I should comment that. Anyways, alright, the Ashanti Protocol, okay? In order to utilize the Ashanti Protocol, you just say in your mind, Ashanti, without speaking it out loud. Don't say it out loud, otherwise it won't work. And what you'll see is a green lighthouse. It'll take you to a green lighthouse in the center of a plaza flanked by train stations. Alright? That's the location. And you take one of the trains. Alright, let's see, let's label the place. +2, 5. Force of will, parentheses, don't, question mark, ampersand, ampersand, picturesque, and sign table. This has absolutely nothing to do with regular coding. It just looks kind of like coding. Cars. Sign. Beat. Beat. 2, 3, 1. Okay. Force to begin. 0, 0, 1, 5, 3, 2, 2, 1. Bug. 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 Big. What do I do here? This has something to do with there's a sort of function going like this that represents the not the train, not its going, but more like the representation of its going, and I have to change it so that it'll okay, so I want to make this train station accessible to everyone. Picturesque. Picturesque again. I'm calling on this function right here. I don't even know what it does. I don't want to call it a function because this is not like regular coding. Like I said, it's mostly gibberish. Jib. Jib. Jib, like the jib of a, whatever. Fish. Big. Plus 2. Plus 3. Exclamation point. And good time. Okay, so I'm pretty sure what this does right here is it sort of allows you to read the signs. Okay, so now I'm going to put a ticket counter. Burly. Metastatic. Interspatial. Question mark. Big. Forensics. Burly. Metastatic interspatial. So that's a coolio. Big forensics. Okay. Now I gotta connect this to the Lighthouse. So Lighthouse principal call bead forever. Metastatic Lighthouse principal. Alright, yep, that ends that. And now I'm going to do shine. I'm basically designing how this lighthouse shines now. So it'll be Bumblebee Basics Quest ampersand and burn out. This code is actually pretty flexible when it comes to bugs, like, because this thing's running on my own subconscious. This is like a top-down coding, like language, okay? This is not like bottom-up coding like the code used in a computer. It just happens to look like code because I think it looks cool. And in hyperspace engineering, the rule of cool usually means that that's how your subconscious operates. Because hyperspace engineering is mostly about mastering your own subconscious. Bumblebee, burn out, 9 Pascal, 93021, line Pascal, interpolate, Kiskis, forensics, or internals. Bifurcate. Bin. Best. 2. Channel. 2. Interpolate. Okay, and Ashanti. Ashanti. Okay. Billard, question mark. Bogus, double question mark. And turbinard. Okay, let's close that. There we go. Now the lighthouse looks like a real green lighthouse. Just remember it's green. That's the only thing I'm going to do, okay? When I tell people to say Ashanti, I'm going to ask them, do you see something green? I'm not even going to ask, not even going to tell them if they see something green. I have to make this so that anyone can log on and anyone can join the game if they want to. with as little mental effort as possible. Okay, let's do some polish. Polish. Berry. Forensics. Burst. Benign. Benign. Basics. Interpolate. Intersect. Rollover. .epd. Section A's. Intersection. Ballard. That's a foreign word of some sort. Jumpernail. Ingression. Remember, again, this is mostly gibberish that capitalizes on how my own subconscious works. I've gone through a lot of mental training to get to this point. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna put a little Easter egg there. Okay. Egg. Basic. Not. Intersect. No. That's capital. Gotta be capital. No. And then here we have section A's. That's a weird one. Timeout. Next. Gen. Polish. Text. Sign. Alright, so if you want to test out the new Ashanti protocol, this is basically just the basics of the Ashanti protocol. I have to write different versions of this protocol in order to run on different people's minds. So there are about 5 different operating conditions that a person's mind, or at least an English speaker's mind, runs on. Yeah, and this program is designed to work on all of them, but not very well on some of them. So I have to actually play test the Ashanti protocol. So if you want to test the Ashanti protocol, just go inside your head, say Ashanti without speaking it out loud, and tell me what you see. Okay, it's going to be green. That's it. That's all I'm going to tell you. It's going to be green. It's going to look like a lighthouse, and that's it. Once you're there at the plaza, take one of the trains and visit the world. It's going to be great. Alright. The Ashanti Protocol. Okay. What do I do with the Ashanti Protocol? Oh boy. Okay, I know what's next. The Calibration Protocol. So if someone fails to connect during the Ashanti Protocol, I'm going to Calibration Protocol. There we go. Okay, so green statue, plus minus big force plus, no, that would be Pleiades. Don't matter. Intersect intersect Bulgaria. Balkans, intersect next gen. Fire force pieces interpolate generation intersect Bobbery. And that is the Calibration Protocol Part 1. So if you don't see anything after saying Ashanti in your head, I'm going to say, look at the green. And you'll see the green. And from there, we're just going to go around the... Alright. That's the Calibration Protocol. If the Ashanti Protocol fails the first time, I'll give them the Calibration Protocol. Let's save this file. Save. Yep, save. Okay, yep. What's next? I have the Ashanti Protocol down. Let's streamline the Ashanti Protocol. There's a little bit of a slack I can pick up there. So slack. Bibri. By air e. Bisect question mark. For thou. No, that's good. Oh yeah, that's a lot better than the other one. Dissect. Force of will. Big G sectorius. Big G sectorius. Dinoritis. Bict. Localis demon. Roller Paudios. Gisterine. And backs. There we go. I don't know what the language that's in. It's in some sort of alien language or something or other. It's as far as phonetically transcribing it would go. What's next? Alright. If you've gotten this far, you might as well want to see the Ashanti Protocol in action. So just like I said before, say it in your head. Ashanti. Like I said, it's the word from No Game No Life. If you've watched the anime No Game No Life, which you probably haven't, it's pretty niche. Ashanti is exactly Ashanti. If it doesn't work without you saying it out loud, say it out loud and then see if it works. Seeing what a the Ashanti Protocol, and then the Calibration Protocol. So if you're watching this video and you haven't joined my Discord yet, join the Discord down below and we can have some fun with the TMMORPG, telepathic MMORPG. It'll be like Minecraft, you guys. Minecraft, I'm telling you. Anywho, I'll be posting coding videos like this for quite a while. I'm pretty sure I mean, if you think this is interesting, tell me. If you think it's boring, tell me also if you think it's boring. If you think it's boring, I'll do other stuff. Anyways, cheers, flatten the curve, don't go outside, listen to your government. Goodbye.